Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10.
Mau? Gak ada yang mau? Gimana sih?
Can I ask you a question? Sir, can I ask you a question? Do you want to be Pudgy's friend? I'll send him a friend request, okay?
It's fine.
Don't do it. Do not do it. Don't. I swear to God. That's right. You put it back. Thank you.
Why do you like to quack like a duck? Why do you do that? Everybody wants to know. Hi, Jill. What's she doing? Were you taking a nap? Huh? You a good boy?
Charles.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
No. Ooh. Yeah.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Je sens que je suis observée. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, mon chat? T'as faim? Ah oui, c'est ça!
So tell me about your life nowadays. You guys work?
I'm a social media influencers.
So you do a lot of social media stuff. So you're at home a lot?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Do you get out of the house much?
No.
I figured since you stole my husband that I would steal your wife. Well, I'm gonna do it because you know it's not fair. Give her to me. I want her back. I want her. No. It's not cool when someone takes your, significant other, is it? I didn't think so.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
My family thought I needed a new brother, so they got this annoying piece of shit who doesn't leave me alone. He just bites my ears and jumps on me all day. Why would they think I wanted a brother after 8 years? I was fucking fine by myself getting all the attention. Now everyone says how cute this piece of shit is when he is just an annoying asshole. Is it too late to return him and take him back where he came from? I don't want to be a big brother.
Good morning. Hi. You hungry?